Clarke truly deserves this award. He should be recognized as a champion for Central Health because he was there at the start and because he was the one who helped to grow and strengthen the organization into what it is today and to the value it brings to our community today.
That's Clarke Heidrick. That's Clarke Heidrick. He knows how to be the best leader I think I've ever encountered in terms of motivating people to participate in those efforts that make our community better.
He understands that people have needs and there are certain needs that need to be met in this community, and he's always been the one who recognizes that, sees it, and ultimately he does something and has done such important things about that.
Clarke is passionate about serving everyone in our community, but in particular, those who have the highest needs and the greatest challenges. And that's why he was one of the founders of Central Health. And there were a number of us who came together and said, we need a hospital district in our community. We need a way to better serve those who need our help most and access to health care the most. And Clarke was really the champion for that.
He has been a stalwart in terms of envisioning what our community needs and being committed to making sure that that has happened over decades. And he still does that. Even though he's not on the board of Central Health, he still, if I could say, advocates in his own way for the continued growth of the entity to make sure the community needs are met.
Clarke is a very unique and special leader, and what I look at when I look at a leader, it's their heart. And I don't think that there is anyone who wouldn't say that Clarke Heidrick has one of the biggest hearts in this community. So you combine the heart, the caring part, with the intellect. Clarke is a very, very smart man. He's very thoughtful, he's very strategic, but he wants to build consensus. I've never seen Clarke say, I want to do it because that's what I want done. He works with the team and he builds that consensus, and because of his intellect and his caring, it makes him a special, unique leader for this community.
He is a very genuine person who cares for people. He will meet you, he will know you, he will never forget your name. He will inquire about your life in a way that makes you feel seen. And I think that's his faith in action. It's how he lives his life. It's the values that he sees that we as humans need to be. We need to be in community, and we need to be all contributing towards the betterment of our community and each other.
Clarke has not just the experience and the skills, but he has a unique combination of all of those experiences and skills that he's brought to our community to make it stronger, to achieve the common good.
Well, this honor means a lot to me because it takes me back over the course of 20 some odd years to the time when a group of people in Travis County were thinking about what an organization that came to be known as Central Health might look like, the need for it, and how we would get it done. It's all driven by the need for us as a community to provide health care to everybody who is here and who's in need of it. It's a fundamental need that I think many of us, me included, think is an obligation that we owe to each other as a community. And so it's been inspiring to work with all the people who have come into contact with Central Health over the years, including those who began it and those who are here now.
Clarke, I can't think of another person who's more deserving to be the Community Champ Health Award recipient than you. The work that you've done for Central Health and for all the people in this community, we are all so incredibly grateful for your passion, your heart, and your incredible leadership.
Clarke, congratulations. I can think of no one more deserving of this award. I feel like it was made just for you, and I'm so happy to participate and to tell you from my heart to yours how much you are appreciated and loved.
Congratulations, Clarke. You are so deserving of this. Those of us throughout the community are so proud to honor you for all that you have done for Central Texas.